as some of the regular viewers on this channel would know, I have just switched houses, new studio, new sim room, which I haven't showed you yet, but that'll be coming up in future videos. But one of the most important things of making YouTube videos is lighting. And to be honest, I've never been too good at it. So in this video, I plan to hopefully make things a little better. Welcome to the channel, everybody. I'm Jason Storm, and in this video I will be asking, are cheap $30 RGB floodlights actually worth it? Now here I have a cheap $30 RGB floodlight off, I think I bought it on eBay, but you can actually get these on Amazon as well. Let's see what it comes with here. Right. And I mean, look at the retail packaging here. I mean, that about says it all, doesn't it? Someone spent many hours designing this pack. Right, so here's our RGB light. It comes with a remote, got on, off, brightness, all different colors, and white, of course. You have different lighting effects like flash, strobe, fade, smooth. So not bad for 30 bucks. We have our 50-watt LED here from GLW, which is Green Life, Green World. Now you can pick these up in a 10-watt, a 30-watt, and a 50-watt. I would probably recommend the 50-watt. Don't get 10, don't get 30, get 50. I think a lot of YouTubers, Twitch streamers, things like that, use these to help light up their background a bit. And when you think about it, for $30, right, Australian, you get 50 watts, your choice of color and lighting effects, and these normal house smart lights like I have around here, they're about 9 watt, and normal RGB house lights are worth about $30 or more. And you can get a 50-watt floodlight that's brighter than that for 30 bucks. That's pretty good. How long it lasts, I'm not sure. But hopefully if I can get a year out of it, I reckon 30 bucks is probably pretty good. I will update the comments section down, probably in the description actually. If this light does prematurely die within a year, I'll put it down in the comments below. So let me show you around the light a little bit. It's got this little sensor up here for the remote. This does come with batteries, so you don't need to buy those. What is this? Why can't they just cable tie it like a normal manufacturer? How do I even... Here we are, finally. So what would be wrong with just do, little tie, done, huh? Not 10 hours to try and unravel that. So yeah, now that I've got it undone, you've got this little bracket here that you can mount somewhere if you wanted to, or you can use it as a stand. The big problem I'm finding, however, if you're using it as a stand and the wire comes out the bottom here, then it doesn't actually sit properly now, does it? Why don't you put the wire coming out the back so it can stand properly? Because that doesn't stand properly. If I bend this bracket back a little bit more, it might at least stand in some way, shape or form. There we are. Kinda stands. It's a little bit wonky because the wire is in the wrong position. But hey, it's a $30 RGB floodlight. So let's test out to see how it works. Hey, here's one I prepared earlier. Now it's probably hard to tell because I got this normal light on in front of me that dilutes some of the light, but I'll turn that off. Look at that. Alright, just out of curiosity, will this remote do this? Probably. Hey! So even I got two of these for like $66 Australian. Got green, we got blue, we got red, orange. Change to orange. Yeah, that's more of a yellow. Hey, no, that's a little more orange. We got purple. All right, let's try white. That's white, and you can of course put the brightness down if you wanted to. This is what I was saying. Like, why bother with a 10 watt? Get the 50 watt. They're not that bright even at 50 watt. So just get the 50. We'll try the flash. I love a good flash. We've got the strobe. This is apparently strobe. We've got fade. And we've got smooth. Smooth isn't bad either. I think it's quite smooth. Now, of course, if you were to whack two behind you, that would be even better, which is why I got two. Let me turn this light back on. Yeah, so there you have it. $30-ish RGB floodlights that can really add a bit more, what's the word I'm looking for? A bit more sizzle to your shots, a bit more spice to your chicken. It's really much better than just nothing, isn't it? It just adds a little bit extra. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe for more videos. Maybe check out my Twitch as well if you want to check out some streams that'll be coming soon. And I will see you in the next video.